Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14G question 16 to 20, right? This is the 16th question. What does this say? A square minus 5a minus 176. We have to split it. You can see this is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. This is our expression and it is matching with this, so we have to split this, right? How we will do that? Let's have a look. We have to split the middle term, okay? So a square, and I hope you are aware, we have to split minus 5a in such a way that the sum will be remaining as minus 5 only, and the product of the two numbers that have been split, the coefficients, that will be minus 176. These two conditions we have to fulfill. Let's see. So a square minus 5a minus 176. What can we have here? We have to split minus 5a in such a way that the sum will be minus 5 and the product will be minus 176. Let's look at the factors of 176 directly if you cannot think of anything, right? So prime factorize this. You will have, this will go 8 and 88 times. Now again you prime factorize to 44. Once again, now 22 and 2 here again, so 11 and then 11 gone. So you have what? 11 and then 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 6, right? Sorry, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 to the 16 and then 11, right? 16 and 11, two factors we can take here. So a square and 16a and 11a minus 176, right? This entire we have multiplied and this was separate, right? Now let's see. Okay, so we will have what over here? We have to give the signs also. So we want minus 5 as the sum. So what I can do, I can give minus 16, right? I can give 16 minus sign and I can give 11 plus sign. So minus 16 plus 11 gives us minus 5. And when the product will be multiplied, so minus 16 into plus 11 is minus 176 only, right? This will be what? We can group this a square minus 16a in one group and 11a minus 176 in another group. Okay, now see, from here we can take a common, so we will have a minus 16. From this one we can take 11 common, we will have a minus 11 ones us 11 and 6 there, 66. So 11 into 6 is 66. So a minus 16 here also, right? Now see, we can take a minus 16 common and here we will have a plus 11, which is your final answer. A minus 16 into a plus 11. Now see the 17th question, right? So the 17th question tries to say x square plus 16x minus 225. Right, once again, if you are unable to think of any factors of 225 that have the sum of them as 16, right, what you will do, you will take 225 here and you will prime factorize. So you will see here, you can take this out by 3, so this will go 75 times, again 3, so this will go 25 times. Now you have to choose 5, okay, there is no other option. So let's see, can we make something or the other from these two? Let's see, 5 into 5 is 25, 3 into 3 is 9, 25 minus 9 we can do, that will give us plus 16, okay. So first of all, write down whatever conditions you require. First of all, your sum has to be 16 plus 16 rather, and the product that you break it into, it has to be minus 225. We have already done the prime factorization, x square. Now one factor we have taken as what? 25, another factor as 9. Now we also have to give the sign, so 25x and 9x and minus 225, right? This way we can do this, right? This is just rough work, right? Now we have to give them the signs. Let's see, the sum is positive, that means what? These two terms, right? So we have to bring it plus here, okay? So simply, if we have to bring it plus, we can do 25 as plus and 9 as minus. 25 minus 9 is what? 16 plus 16. And product is minus 225. So we can do plus 25 into minus 9. which is also minus 225. Okay, so the conditions are fulfilled. Now you just have to group them. One group will have x square plus 25x and the other group will have minus 9x minus 225. Right, we can take x common from here. We will have x plus 25 and minus we can take common and 9 we can take common. Right, so you will have x plus 25 here also. Now we can take x plus 25 common from both the sides and we will have x minus 9 left here, which is the final answer, right? X plus 25 into x minus 9. Now let's move on to the next question. Now come to the 18th question. 18th question says m square minus 19m minus 92. Clearly visible, we have to break this minus 19m, right? We have to break the middle term in such a way that the sum is what? The sum remains minus 19 and the product of the two coefficients has to be minus 92. These two conditions we have, right? Let's see what factors of 92 we can take here. So let's begin from the smallest one. Can we take this 2? Let's see, 41 times not possible, right? 9 to 11, 3, 4, no, right. Let's better take this out by 4, right? How many times? 2 and 1 there, 23, right? So 23 and 4 are the two factors. See, 23 into 4 is what? 4 into 3, 12 and 1, so 92. Clear? And if I do 23 minus 4, I can get 19. But again, this is not right. Okay, we have to give the proper signs. So it is clear we have to choose 23 and 4. That is very clear. Now see, we will give the signs also. M square and then 23m and 4m and then minus 92. Now see here, we want minus 19m. So that means the sum is minus, product is also negative. So the only condition is that one term has to be plus, one term has to be minus, right? Because then only our product can be negative. Plus into minus is only going to give you minus, right? Now see, can I do minus 23m and plus 4m? Because minus 23, the sum is negative, so therefore the sign will be of the greater number on that, right? So we have allotted minus for the greater number. So see, minus 23 plus 4 is minus 19, minus 23 into plus 4 is minus 92. So our condition is fulfilled. Now make the groups m square minus 23m in one group and 4m minus 92 in another group. Now you can take the common here. From here you can take m minus 23 common. From here you can take 4 common. So you will have m minus 23 here also. So you will have in one group you can take m minus 23 here. Okay, common from both the groups, m minus 23 will come here. Here you will be left with m and here plus 4, right? That is the final answer. Clear? Now let's see the next one. This is the 19th question. What does this have to say? 36 minus 21, okay, x plus 3 x square. First of all, what we will do, we will rearrange it into the form of x square plus bx plus c. Bring this expression into this form, right? See what will happen if we will rearrange. So this will become x square minus 21x plus 36. So basically we have changed the positions of the first term and the last term. So x is 3, sorry, this is 3x. So 3x square has come in the front, okay, and what? The last term, that is here 36, that was in the front, it has come to the last, okay. This is in this form. See, x square plus bx plus c. But still there is one step missing. As I said, whenever we are solving, we also have to see that if any common factor can be taken from the expression. From here, what can you take common? See, in variables we cannot take anything common because x square x and there is nothing here, so we can't take anything common from the variable part. But see the numbers 3, 21 and 36. So you can take what? Plus 3, okay, you can take 3 common, you will have x square minus 21 goes 7 times by 3 plus 36, so plus 12. 36 goes 12 times. Now is it simplified? Now can you see it is in this form? Yes. So we can further factorize this. See, 3 into here, what you will have, see, minus 7x and 12. So you have to break minus 7 in such a way, what happens, that the sum is going to be minus 7 and the product is going to be plus 11, plus 12, sorry, plus 12, right? See here, we will have x square. Think of the factors of 12 that have the sum of 7. So we can take 4 and we can take 3, okay, because 4 plus 3 7 and 4 into 3 12. Again we will deal with the signs later on. So 4x and 3x here and plus 12 over here, right? Now see the signs. So I want my product as plus and sum is negative, so it is clear that both of these will be negative also, okay, because then only if you add two negative terms you get a negative term, okay, here minus plus minus, right? And when you multiply two negative terms you get positive. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. So we can factorize this now. This will be in one group, clear, and minus 3x plus 12 will be in another group. Now what will this be? Let's see, right? 3 from here, what can we take common? Let's see. From here we can take x common, so we will have x minus 4, and from here we can take minus 3 common, so again we will have x minus 4. Now see, you will take here common, so 3 x minus 3 will be taken here. We can group this into two groups like this, right? Now see, 3 into x 3x and 3 into minus 3 3x minus 9 into x minus 4 further on. That is the answer, right? Now let's move on to the next question. Now see the 20th question. What does this say? You have 2x cube plus 10x square minus 48x, but very clearly it is visible from this question that this is not in this form. We have to bring it to this form. What can we do? See here, first you will see the first terms, right? We have to analyze here carefully. When it is not in the standard form, we have to bring it to the standard form, and the way to do that is to take common factors, right? We have to take highest common factors, okay, from all the three terms. Then only we will land at this point, and then we can start factorizing. Let us see. So see, from numbers I can take 2 common, okay, and here from the variables I can take x common, x cube, x square, x to power 1. So x we will take common, right? Now see what you will be left here, x square plus 5x minus 48, right? Sorry, not 48 here, minus 24, right? That is it. So we have taken 2x outside the bracket. Now we are left with inside x square plus 5x minus 24, right? Is that very clear? Now let's see what can we do now. Now let's see the part inside the bracket. Is it in this standard form? Yes, if you compare x square plus 5x plus bx and then minus 24 plus c. So it is in the form that we wanted. Now we can start the factorization process. So again, two things. You have to split the middle term in such a way that the sum is plus 5 and the product of the two numbers is minus 24. These two conditions are there which we have to fulfill. Let me see what factors can I bring out of this 24 that have sum of plus 5 and product minus 24. Let's see. So let's see, can we take 6 and 4? No, we cannot take. 3 and 8 are the only options, right? 3 and 8 we can take. See how? 8x and 3x and minus 24 here, okay. Sorry, here you had x square also, right? So now see here, we want to give the sum as positive plus 5. So can I do 8x minus 3x, okay, plus 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is plus 5, okay. Product is minus 24, so 8 into minus 3 is what? Minus 24. So this is coming correct. Now we can start factorizing. So let's see. we will make this x square plus 8x in one group and minus 3x minus 24 in another group. So 2x here, okay, and here what we will have, we can take x common, so we will have x plus 8 and minus 3 common, so again x plus 8 here, which will become what, 2x into x minus 3, right, minus 3 and then x plus 8, right. You can change your, it doesn't matter, right. So this is what your final answer, okay. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.